Hey guys, ito na po yung fix na inyong problema sa farming ng SkyVPN. First, need nyo ng dalawang app na to. Isa yung clone version ng SkyVPN which is not the latest version. Tapos itong device ID changer. Nasa Play Store lang po ang device ID changer. Install nyo lang po. Tapos ito, pakita ko sa inyo anong version ang SkyVPN 1. Yan po, hindi po yan latest. Ang latest is ayan, see. So, before kayo mag-start ng farming, open nyo muna itong device ID changer. Press random. Successfully change blah 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 blah. Press OK. Back nyo. Back. Dahil maraming ads. At sundin nyo na lang po ang susunod na video. Credits to the owner pala sa nag-upload ng itong clone version ng SkyVPN.
We go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you and me can just be alone. Under your spotlight, it.